Hi everyone, Sean here, and I just learned some really sad news that Boyd over at Trekworks had passed away a couple of weeks ago. I've been traveling and real busy at home, haven't really been online paying much attention to YouTube or notifications and things like that, and so I just heard the news. I'm over here in Vegas right now, visiting my mom, and I saw a notification on YouTube. It was kind of like just a post from the Ensign's Chair, who I wasn't aware of that channel. I'm a subscriber now. But as some of you know, Boyd over at Trekworks was the inspiration for this channel. I just found him one day, and I'd always been into modeling and always into Star Trek and science fiction, and he was the inspiration to me. So it's kind of a shock. I'm holding back a little bit right now. It's kind of hard. I never spoke to him. Exchanged a few emails with him a few times, and when I launched my channel, Boyd was what you'd expect. If you've been watching Boyd or familiar with him, he responded with, well done, nice video. He made a couple of comments about something I had said in one of the videos in an email, and then he made a comment on one of them. I don't even remember which one it was. I do remember what the comment was. It was about when you're doing a model and something's just not working out perfectly, sometimes the best thing is to just move on and let that little imperfection go. You can't get it perfect. So I'll remember it felt good to have him kind of confirm that sentiment that I had about it. But this is really sad. I had really planned, once this channel hit a certain level, I was going to try to do some interviews with some modelers and some people that are influencing into the community, and that was kind of my big dream, was to have a talk with Boyd and get some of his secrets and learn some more about him and his life, and outside of the modeling and what got him into all that kind of stuff. And I know he was planning on bringing back the show later this month, and I was kind of waiting for that and hadn't seen anything. And then I get the news today. Now I know why. He'd been sick for some time, and it kind of hurts. And I've been doing this YouTube thing for a year or so. Been involved in communities a lot longer than that. And even though it kind of feels like a new technology, it's been around for a while. And I lost one of my favorite YouTubers, passed away a few weeks ago, Clobbering Times. Now Boyd's gone, and this is just something that is part of our lives. Like, of course we lose people, and it never gets easy, for sure. And it's tough. But I just felt it's necessary to kind of put this out there. If you haven't yet subscribed to Trekworks, go subscribe to it. There's so much rich content on there, going back a number of years. A lot of the techniques I use, I learned from Boyd. Again, it's just inspirational for me to create this channel. So I know I'm a little bit late to this. I know some of you who probably follow other modeling channels already know. Again, this kind of hit me just suddenly, But anyway, for anyone else out there who knew Boyd, or if anyone from his family happens to be watching this for some reason, you have my condolences, and my best wishes go out to you. The community's lost someone really special and very inspirational. What a treasure the channel is. And I'm hoping that it stays up, because the content on there is timeless. Someone 50 years from now can go back and learn from Boyd. So I guess I'll cut that off now. I'm not going to do a tribute or anything like that. There's probably plenty of folks out there. So I'm going to do some digging, some looking around, and subscribe to some more modeling channels. I know there's a lot out there, and the modeling thing is my hobby, and I do on the side. I've got other interests in YouTube that span further than the modeling thing. So this is kind of hard. So, anyway, I hope you are all out there having a good day and a good weekend. And, like times like this always tell us, take a moment and tell a friend that you love them, or tell a family member that you love them. Give them a hug. This is the times that remind us to do that. And do something nice for someone. Be kind. Make someone smile today. So, Boyd, thank you. And we're going to keep trekking on.